Okay, so these are the release notes for Stammer version 1.10. And this is going to seem like a smaller release in many ways because a lot of the functionality we were working on is kind of back end related in order to support some of the amazing lead collection features that we have coming out soon. So keep that in mind. But one thing we did get out with this release is the lead collection outgoing webhook. And so, as many of you already know, we have the ability to collect emails from the user through our form that pops up. And so you enable that by going here and either selecting if it's required or optional. Now, relatedly, what we've just released is the ability to click this enable outgoing lead collection webhook. And what that will do is whenever that email is collected, we will hit up a URL you specify with the data for that lead. So the email will be sent as JSON format to that that endpoint, so that you can get that data into other systems. And we're going to have more material coming out about this, showing you how to do this. But there is also if you click on this click here for more info, there's a user interface where you can view all the webhooks that have been sent. You can even test it. And a lot more is coming related to this. Very soon, we're working right now on a form builder that will allow you to specify, if you want to collect email, name, first name, some default fields that we're going to be including, as well as anything else that you want to include with that. And so the form will be dynamic. If you tell it to collect, eye color or something, that will be able to be collected and displayed within the form. And then relatedly, that same user interface is going to be used to do the lead collection within the chat interface itself. So that's where the chat bot will collect, the user's first name, whatever you want it to collect. It will collect that within the context of the chat instead of the form. Now, one other small bug we fixed with this release is we had some links that were being displayed when chatting with the chatbot that were not properly formatted. They had periods in them and maybe a few other characters that were actually causing the links not to work. So we have corrected that now. But as always, let us know if you see any other issues popping up. But that specific issue should be fixed now. And that is it, except for some other minor bug fixes that we've gotten out with this release. That is the main thing. But we do have a lot of great lead collection related features coming out very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. And as always, if you have any feature requests, suggestions, any feedback at all, or you need help doing something, do not hesitate to reach out to us. We will get back to you ASAP.